Hi everybody, we are going to make these colorful envelopes. Let's make it. We are folding this pink craft paper and paste it using double-sided tape. We are also pasting colorful stickers, curve its edges and look, it is ready. You can also make lines on it. Look at this colorful infinity star. Let's make it. We are folding this pink craft paper. Fold it from all its sides, flip it and again fold it. We are going to make a heart shape. Make 9 such colorful hearts and paste all of them one after another like this and make a circle and look, it is ready. Take this rainbow colored craft paper and start folding from its diagonals. Flip it and again fold it and make a mini square. Fold it from its sides, flip it and again start folding it. We are going to make cat ear box here. So fold it again and make a circle like this and look, your box is almost ready. Give it shape using your fingers and it's done. We are going to make these colorful cubes using craft paper, so let's get started. We are folding this pink craft paper into half, flip it and again fold it. We are going to tug it inside by folding the paper and repeat the same process from other end as well. Tug it inside, again fold it. After this we are going to make colorful such pieces. We are making 6 such pieces. After this, tug all the craft paper one after another in a cube form like we are doing here. Seal it properly. Tuck the craft paper inside and look, you will get a cube at the end. Finally, we are tucking this paper inside and it's done. We're going to make these paper bags, so let's get started. Take a printed craft paper and start folding it. Make 3 folds and then fold it from its corners and make a triangular shape. Then we're going to fold it from all its sides like we're doing here. Now open it, then fold it and make a box like we're doing here. Look, it's done. Now press it from its top portion and fold it like we're doing here and look, it is ready. Look at these mini paper fans. Let's make it. We are folding this printed craft paper. Make mini folds. Look how we are doing here. Now open it and fold it into half and make mini folds as well. Now open all of them and start folding it like this. Now we are going to tie it using a thread at the center. Paste it using double-sided tape and it's ready. Look at these cute little wallets. Let's make it. Take a A4 sheet paper and start folding it into half. Again fold it, flip it and again fold it from its sides and paste it using double-sided tape. Again fold it. We are also pasting these stickers for more decoration and it's ready.